today we are doing an experiment from National Geographic Mega Science Series Stunning Science Chemistry Set.
Called
Turbid-Charged.
Turbid-Charged. Not turbo-charged, but turbid-charged. Okay, so first we are going to find our missing scientist. He's missing. Where is he? He's invisible. He turned himself invisible. Look. You can't even see him. Oh, there he is. Okay, we need 30 milliliters of water in the beaker.
40. You know what? I'm not going to do 40. I'm just going to do that. Hopefully I get to 40. Oopsies. Dang it.
Got it. 30 in the beaker, and then we're going to do what with it?
Uh-huh.
Add it to the tall cup. Tall cup. Then we have to add 1 medium scoop of sodium carbonate, which is medium scoop. What?
It's
Medium.
medium.
Do you need me? I think we need leveling on this one. Maybe. Let's see. Let's check
Definitely.
that out. Wait. Over the thing. Pull it away. And wait. And we're doing what with it? Yep. Adding it to the tall cup.
I'm scared to do that. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yes. Tall cup, please.
Are you sure?
And then stir it until it's dissolved. What weight? 2 scoops. 2 scoops, but they. I don't know if I would use that spoon. Can you swirl it around? Whatever. We might need that. I don't know for sure. All right, but go ahead. You've already started. You have already started. It's already wet. I don't know why you don't just stir it with it now. Okay, so.
Oh, I got it on my mic.
Oh, big scoops. I bet you that's what. It doesn't specify. What?
I got water on my mic. I'm doing that.
Okay, well, you need to be more careful. It's probably dissolved enough.
I don't think we.
Measure another 30 milliliters.
First, I have to wash my hands because my hands are sticky. Ooh.
I'm confused. Is it 30? So you're going to put that into one of the test tubes, I guess, just add it.
Just buy one drop. Okay.
Add it to
tube?
this test tube.
The white one.
Why not? We're going to be using both of them. I think. It says that too. Now it's probably not 30 milliliters. You can dump it back into the beaker and just test that theory out. And then add accordingly. Scientists need to be precise.
Perfect.
So it's 30? All right.
Yeah, I guess it was a little over for today.
Please pay attention.
Mm.
Okay, and now,
There's a water droplet left. I have to get every drop in there.
okay, so add 2 scoops, and it doesn't tell you what size of calcium chloride. So I don't know why it does not tell you what size. I'm kind of thinking that it means medium scoops because in the next step, one of the other steps, it specifies big. So this one is just talking 2. So we're hoping that they mean medium on that because that's what we're going to do. They don't say medium, big, small, nothing.
Sodium
No, of calcium
fluoride.
chloride. 2, and we're going to add this to the water in that test tube.
I'm scared.
2 medium scoops in here. And you may need, yeah, let me get my thing.
Whoa, it's chunky.
Hold on, I can't see.
Chunky. Calcium chloride.
Wow, it is a little chunky. Break up the chunks as we're doing it. That's pretty good. Just please.
Identicativeness.
Yes, in the test tube. One more. We have to do another one. You have to hold that. Oops. Lift it up. I can't reach the spoon.
Break the chunks.
What? Put it back down there. I wasn't done.
Let's move it, then rest it away.
Why?
Oh. We're gonna be here all day because of this. Why is calcium chloride chunky? Okay, that's good enough. Where?
In the test tube. And again, of course, stir, it says, until completely dissolved. And if you need to, this time you can handle it if you want.
Yeah,
Shake
I have to because there's stuff on the side. So I'm kind of forced to. Okay.
Got it?
I guess it's kind of settling. Okay, that's good enough. Definitely good enough.
So now it says here, let's see if we can, it says to add the clear solution from that into your white cup. Whoops. To add the 2 together. And it's going to turn milky. Let's check it out. Wait, why do we have all this here? It would be better without this because then we can see the change, maybe.
Then that's all that happens?
We're not done yet. There's
Oh
milky.
my gosh, I was gonna
A
explode.
milky solution going on. It almost does look like milk, but it's not.
But don't
of
drink
course.
it. Don't drink it.
Definitely not.
Don't.
So we have that now. And then it says to measure 50 milliliters of
50
water
milliliters of water.
in the beaker.
If there's any extras,
We don't need this one. We need our second test tube. Really? Okay. Now it does say the word turbid is from the Latin turba, meaning a crowd or disturbance. So a solution is turbid when it contains a large number of individual particles that would normally be invisible to the naked eye. The solid particles are suspended in the solution, making it hazy or muddy. It is definitely turbid right now. Okay, so now you got 50?
50.
You do. What we're doing here is we're going to add 1 big scoop of citric acid to that test tube or the beaker.
Citric acid.
Wait a minute. No, first you're going to add, it says add that 50 milliliters to that second test tube first. And then we have to get our big scoop.
Really full.
Big scoop of citric acid, which you need help. I need help spreading that open. It's being difficult. Definitely don't want to spill that. That would be. Yeah, I'm not leveling that because that's bigger crystals. I think that yeah, that's good. I like it.
Into where?
Into that test tube. Okay, then you get to shake that up. That's easier to. Okay, so shake it up, dissolve it. So stir until it's dissolved. Is that good enough? Is it completely dissolved? Now magically, let's see what happens. And actually, we don't need our big tray for this. It's not going to be an explosive reaction. It's going to be like magic. Then it says to pour this solution right here.
The magic solution.
Yes, into that.
Which is another magic solution.
Watch what happens.
That will do this.
And look at what happens.
You see particles.
Still.
Look at that.
But it turned it. It needs a little more time to work, but it's turning it clear. Look at that.
Yeah, and
it went from milky to clear. Now let's explain why. So it says mixing that sodium carbonate solution and calcium chloride solution together causes a chemical reaction that creates a precipitate of tiny granules of calcium carbonate. This is the same compound that makes up eggshells and pearls, and these white granules do not dissolve in water, so the mixture becomes turbid. Adding the acidic solution dissolves those tiny granules. Okay, so the milky was the, so the solution becomes clear again. Actually, that was, so that's what it did. Actually, the first part had calcium carbonate. That's why it was milky colored. And then this turned it clear. And that bubbles must be, it could have been part of the reaction or part of the stuff in our water, perhaps. Okay, so that is what happened with this experiment. I think we're done, and our scientist is going to magically appear again. Whoa, there he is. All right. So.
Bye. Please like and subscribe. And if you already have, thank you. If you haven't, please subscribe. That will help my channel a lot. Bye.